Te Puni Kōkiri's Māori housing network has supported the Whānau of Waipareira to coordinate urgent repairs for whānau living in the West Auckland Kaipara region. Te whānau Pita and Te Puni Manukau were two of those recipients.
About 63 years I've lived in this house. I grew up in here. Many times we always wanted to have this and that, but we couldn't do it. We only had 2 plugs, one in the sort of here and one in the kitchen.
All the plugs everywhere, and the grandkids couldn't, really run around.
It's still in our grandkids. Don't play with the plugs because it's dangerous. But we had no choice. We never had the money to do anything. I used to go down the hub, Kelton there, and the cousin used to be there, Mary. And she goes, "You want your house done, bro?" Well, a couple of months later, and she goes, "Oh, I'm bringing somebody over to have a look at the house." She came up the next day with Billie Jean. And she looked at her and she went, I know there was a shock on her face, mate. The first question she says, "What is your main thing you want done?" "You want the windows not done?" I said, "No, windows are nothing. But the worst thing is the power box." She went and approached everybody that she could. And thanks to her, we're in an awesome house. You can say the whole house was renovated. And they gave off, like they say, a facelift, which it needed badly. My life's changed when I was down the bottom of that hill there, looking up at the old homestead, and going, "Do you remember what it used to be like, Mum?" She goes, "Yeah." I can say I'm proud of Waipareira. If it wasn't for Waipareira, I wouldn't be here. And I would have had to live for my grandkids. When I go in this house, I'll be there for them.
Just around the corner, the whānau Pita were also concerned about their home.
Yes, we've been here since 74, 73, 74. We had some people who were living here. Unfortunately, they let the house go to wreck and ruin. There was virtually no windows left in our house. There was holes in this roof here. We're getting shocks through the switches.
Yeah, you turn on the kitchen light and the passage light might come on.
I shouldn't say it, but I tried to do some repairs. When it was damp and the kids used to turn the light on in the passage, they used to get a shock. My brother, he said to me one day, "It's so bad," he said, "It's going to cost a lot of money." He said, "The only way you could do it is maybe one board at a time whenever you can afford it." And that's how we were doing it until we got the call from Waipareira. When the person said to me, "Papa, we're doing this pilot scheme and we would like to know if you want to be part of it." So we accepted it. And the end results, we're forever grateful and thankful. From Puni Kōkiri to Waipareira to everybody that was
builders.
The builders, the carpenters, the electricians, the plumbers, everybody. I'm hoping that for the future, my children and my grandchildren are going to appreciate the home and appreciate the help that we received so that we could keep our home and still have our home. For me, it's hopeful that they'll look after it, they'll care for it, and they'll tend to it, make sure that the upkeep is always going to be there. It's always been in our minds that, our children will have something when we pass on.